This is Gold Rush UK. It's a new year and the season has already begun. And there is gold out there waiting to be found. It's been a fantastic journey so far, but it hasn't been easy. And in the early days, we had no knowledge of what to do or where to look, and we certainly couldn't find any gold, no matter how hard we tried. And nobody would take us seriously, but we always had fun. But here we are in 2019, and if there is gold in the ground, we can find it. We now have the knowledge, we have the equipment. If you are new to this channel, then welcome. And if you've already joined us, then welcome back. As we start season 3 in our quest to find gold in the United Kingdom. Hello and welcome to the first trip down to the Secret River for 2019. This is the home of my channel and I call this Gold Rush UK, but there is no gold rush. Today we're out just prospecting, sampling some of these areas. Dad's at's over there and he's already got some colour in the pan. We have had some flooding round here. I think last week it was 2.5 metres high, the river. Just come over to my office where I hang all my equipment up in my bags, but look at this, this is all fresh. This here is fresh river debris. It's all over this tree. All of this gravel here is new, washed over gravel from elsewhere upstream. Likewise in here, this area has been hammered, but there will be colour in there, in here. Now today we're sluicing. I've been working this section here. What we've got here is a nice gentle flow of water with bedrock. That's a collection point. All this here has potential to collect heavy material. Now, I'm looking in the sluice. I'm not quite sure what I'm looking at, but I brought these just in case. I think we've got a picker in there, and it's genuinely come from down there. I'm looking here, wondering what that is there. So let's see if we can pick it out. Yes, nice. That's a nice. I have to watch this to pinging out.
Oh, watch it.
That's a nice piece of gold.
Yeah, that'll do.
That's the result. Well, Dad's Art's just found some nice colour. That's Dad's Art working out over there. That's excellent.
Alright.
What do you reckon to that?
It'll do, won't it?
Yeah. Okay, it's time for something to eat. There's my butties. And where's the dog's dinner? This lad is telling me he wants his dinner, aren't you? So today we're on peanut butter and jam and ham and cheese and a nice cup of coffee.
Sweet chili sauce.
With sweet chilli sauce. Now in this spot so far, we are finding heavy materials. Bits of metal. Don't know what that is. Someone's scraper. So, you know, the heavies are collecting in this spot. Okay, just a quick catch up. I've worked in there, pockets here and there. Some of the better gold was in there. Little areas there. That there isn't moving, whatever it is. It looks the right colour, but I don't think it is gold. But it don't move. So let's see if we can try and pick it out. Yeah, that's a piece of gold.
Yeah. Hey.
It wasn't moving.
That's a cracking thing. I can see that without my specs.
Dad's Art can see it without his specs. So we'll put that in there. Now this area here, I like the look of this. We've got a channel coming down here. Nice flowing water there with a bedrock. And just going down there, we're going to have a low pressure point. So we'll clear it out first, get rid of the overburden. There's your overburden with the gravels. I always work the overburden because you just never know. It's always worth, on this river, processing everything. It's looking good down there. Okay, come with me a minute. Can you see what I can see? Just here. That looks like a nice piece of gold. Let's see if we can pick it up because we don't want to be losing that one. There. It's there. Let's just pick the sluice up because I'm not losing it. It could go out of the sluice, so I'm taking no chances with that one. How's that? Okay, we've done a quick clean out there because that nice little picker we put in the bottle. So we've still got the concentrates here from that little waterfall there. That was a nice little surprise, that. A good piece by my standards. Okay, let's see what's in the stuffer bottle. Well, that has to be one of the best pans I've ever had on Mr. Das P1's Gold Rush. I'm happy with that. We've got a nice line of gold all around the top of the pan. For what I do for gold prospecting, to find them three pieces there, that's quite positive. I'm really happy with that. Well, that's our day done. We had a cracking first day back at the secret river. We found a bit of the good stuff. Dad's hat's on his way up there. He's had a good time. The dog's had a nice little walk. What more could you ask for? And if you like these videos, let me know. It's not the Klondike. Anyway, thank you for watching. And until the next time, where we will be searching for gold in the United Kingdom. Anyway, as with all the gold we find, it's like when you go fishing, you've got to put it back. It belongs to the Crown Estate. No, I'm not going to say that, am I? You've got to put it back because it belongs in the river. So let's be good, let's be kind. Off we get. Okay, Dazat's got a reading with his Gold Monster 1000. It's kind of nugget-like shaped. I don't know whether that's a compressed fishing weight or if it's...
Is this silver?
I don't know.
Anyway.